Get out on the lake, let's go fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over.
What's up, lifers? I ain't seen y'all in a day or two camping and fishing. But me and old boy, we finna do that. I'm finna put y'all on time lapse. Try to split it where you can see both of us, but it's probably just gonna be me, you know, because he don't even post videos anymore. But well, here at Pat May's, looks a little low. A lot lower than it was last time I was here, and it was low last time we were here.
It was low last time.
So we're gonna try to get up and fish after we eat breakfast in the morning, right?
That's the plan.
All right. That sounds good though, but the weather's gonna be so perfect. I doubt I can get him out of camp. We probably just brought a boat to look at. But I'll put y'all on some time lapse. What you got there, Rob?
You got this little, what do you white folks call this? Griddle?
Griddle.
Griddle.
One of them bougie ones.
One of them off-brand.
One of them Blackstones.
I had a coupon.
He had a coupon. Alright. I didn't show all the tent putting up, but most of it, maybe you seen both of us doing it. We're finna sit down and relax a little bit, then I'll bring y'all back.
Quick. I'm pretty sure this cutting board hasn't been washed since the last visit.
Alright, we got a dirty cutting board and we don't care. Rob's got his new Blackstone. He's finna chef it up for us. I'm gonna record while he's cooking. It's gonna be some street tacos.
I'm gonna break it in.
First thing he's cooked on it, except for some bacon grease. What are you whooping up there?
We're just making stuff up as we go.
Making stuff up as we go.
You ever use one of these? I haven't.
I've never even seen one. No, I'm lying. I have cooked a little bit on one, but not much.
I don't know about the spatula.
I used my fingers when I was flipping stuff last time I cooked on it.
How'd that hurt?
Huh?
How'd that feel?
It wasn't that bad. I was drinking. And all I was doing was letting a piece of deer sausage or a hog sausage we mixed up.
Yeah.
Where we could test it. I just let it get real done on one side and just flipped it. Then turned it off and ate it. Yeah, me and Rob decided we'd get us one more camp trip in before the gas goes back up. It already went up for me.
I wouldn't, you know, Bucky's. Well, yesterday I put gas at 285 in my truck. I filled it up at Sam's, and I went to Bucky's because I like to put the gas in the boat. It's like it's usually cheaper. It was 320. Melissa.
I bought gas Monday in Mount Pleasant for either 303 or 297. I can't remember. Today it was 329. You go that Bucky's right past the lake, right?
Mm-hmm. I think it's too small. Or the spatula's just too big.
This was too big, and it ain't the giant one. I
mean, it's just for 2 people camping.
Right.
Mental note, get smaller utensils.
Smaller and a plastic, I think. Is that the hot spot right there?
I guess.
Okay, so I know they'll have a hot spot in a place that stacks it off of,
well, it's only one burner, so.
right, but it's still the way they're designed. That burner's gonna be towards one side or the other. It's not dead.
No, it's got a line here, one here, and then one in the middle.
Oh yeah. Rob's throwing some health food looking tortillas up there. He knows I don't like flour.
I didn't even help breakfast tacos. I don't want to hear it.
Well, I like it with that, but with meat,
You never complain about having my meat in your mouth.
he's getting too civilized, folks. He's getting whitewashed. I got to check out the friends he's hanging out with. I don't know. Uh-oh, that's stuck, didn't it?
Well, it's because it hasn't been seasoned all the way.
Alright, we about through with this making these tacos. He's gonna chop that beef up there, throw it back on there, warm it up a little bit. Warm us up a bunch of flour tortillas. And we're gonna get fat. I'll show you the finished product maybe if I remember.
You want to taste it?
Or,
You got to dip in your mouth?
I just put my pills in my mouth. I couldn't get white girl waste.
Yeah?
Alright, finished product. And I'm finna get white girl wasted. Do people really enjoy drinking those?
Which one is it? The claw? I don't know. I was curious what it tastes like.
It ain't bad, but it ain't good. Finished product. I'm not gonna make y'all watch us eat, but that's it.
We're not doing a mukbang?
No, we're not doing any much. I want to let y'all know we can sit down and eat. Probably by the time we get through eating, it's gonna be dark 30, and we don't record after dark. You know, because what happens at camp stays at camp.
That's right. Don't mind him walking to the fun in the morning.
I walk funny every morning. I'm crippled and old. Alright everybody, you'll see this video maybe. Apparently I've lost all my footage, but then it shows up. GoPro, do better.
To user error, not the GoPro.
Well, it's a GoPro error.
Nah.
I don't ever lose footage, ever. I might lose audio, but I don't ever lose footage. That's 100% GoPro. We're finna have us some breakfast burritos.
Breakfast tacos.
Breakfast tacos.
Some white people shit.
Whatever. Breakfast burritos, breakfast enchiladas, whatever they are.
Go get you some cereal.
We're finna have some. Some what?
Cereal?
I didn't bring no milk. Can I milk you?
I'll get you some milk.
Can I milk you? Come here, sweetie.
You like your bacon medium rare, right?
Yeah, I don't like it burnt. I don't like my eggs burnt neither. What you got going on there, Rob?
Grilling your wiener.
We're grilling some wieners. We got those hot lunks.
They're like bleeding on me though.
Just, what are you gonna eat?
Huh?
What are you gonna eat?
I don't know. I was about to ask you how many we put on there. How many you gonna have?
Two will be
But I see the way you eat. Like a little kid.
No, them are like my favorite meal though.
They good?
Yeah. Well, I mean, that brand exactly is not my favorite, but it's pretty good.
They need oil or just like that?
Just like that. They'll make their own oil. Just let them start bubbling a little bit and they'll be ready.
I'm digging this Blackstone.
You think is it worth the money?
Yeah.
Should everybody have one camping?
I mean, it does everything. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Everything. We've cooked everything on it. We're trying to figure out how to cook a cake on it.
I can make us a flatbread.
Did y'all hear him? He can bake us some flatbread.
Yeah.
Cool. But I like it. I want one.
I think it'd be cool. There's one that just had one more little side to it.
Just like right here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. These are them J.C. Porter hot links. That ain't the good ones, but they'll work.
Well, my money can afford.
Walmart specials right there.
I buy all my groceries at Dollar General.
Hey, if we would have known.
The one that's right here?
If we would have known, yeah.
That Dollar General right here. It's a Dollar General or Dollar Tree?
No, it's a Dollar General.
That place is lit.
Market. It's a Dollar General market.
That place is lit. Have all the snacks, groceries.
Alright, I just want to show y'all can cook anything on here. We finna eat it. Don't take long to warm these up. I brought hot dog buns, light bread, and some mustard. That's all you need. We finna put the beat down, eat down on them. We gotta take a nap. We need to relax. We did a lot of work. I mean, seriously, we fished like 7 hours. Pretty cool.
We fished all day.
Yeah.
It was bearable because the sun was hitting.
Yeah. It was been overcast.
But wait a minute, let's backtrack. As sun hitting all day long, nice, windy, like good time to be on the boat. As soon as we park this boat, what comes out?
The sun.
In full force.
Full. We finna sit up here and get a tan and camp.
Messed up.
But it's still a good day. It ain't hot.
No, not like that one time at Lake of the Pines where we almost died.
Yeah, I mean, we have done it where it was like,
Camping in August.
yeah, the dumbest thing we ever done, camping in August. Dumbest thing I've ever done is I left my extra GoPro sitting out on this picnic table all day. So, Pat Mays, you can come up here and camp, won't nobody steal anything from you, because it's just laying there. What's up, lifers? Me and Rob, we've been bringing y'all some cooking videos. We got a couple more. I'm gonna put all the cooking videos on like one video. Then we got a fishing video. Man, we tore them up today. Not really, but we caught fish. And I had a heartbreaking situation. We may have to take me to the hospital here in a little bit. Heart's still hurting. That's just dumb as fuck.